All right, let's see if they're willing to put on a show for you guys. All right. See if they put on the show, baby. Where's the big one at? Oh, there he is. Come down there. Let's watch. Cannabis garden is right over there. My greenhouse. Look at these beautiful fish. That is a monster right there. He is close to 4 feet. He might be 4 feet this year, I think. It's massive. Actually, he could be even longer than that now. Look at that. I got a proper measurement a year or two ago, but he has grown. And look how big the little ones got. As you know, sadly, the crane killed a few of our fish. This is just a little treat for them. I've got an automatic feeder right here, and this is the waterfall system. Goes through this to that filter.